Let me ask you a question. How many of you here in the audience wants to learn to code? Okay, I see 50% of you raise your hands.
Smart interviews has helped me a lot in achieving my goals. It has transformed my coding skills.
I was benefited when I gave an interview for Amazon internship after the Smart Interviews course was over.
For every problem, we can solve it in multiple ways. So that way, your problem solving skills increase. So in smart interviews, we learn to solve a single problem in multiple approaches.
The things I liked a lot in smart interviews is we can reach out to the team at any particular point of time by placing our queries.